Struggling with negativity and confusion? Discover the surah that strengthens your faith and guards your soul. Surah Al-Kafirun. Surah Al-Kafirun is a powerful declaration of spiritual independence and protection. Reciting this surah after your prayers acts like an invisible shield, guarding you against the harmful influences, doubts, and fears that surround us every day. This surah clearly sets boundaries between your beliefs and those that do not share your faith, reminding you firmly, I do not worship what you worship, and you do not worship what I worship. This simple but profound statement strengthens your spiritual foundation, helping you stay true to your path with courage and clarity. When you make Surah Al-Kafirun part of your daily routine, you invite peace and divine protection into your life. It cleanses your heart from confusion, keeps your mind focused, and removes any spiritual obstacles that block your progress. In a world full of distractions and challenges, this surah is your spiritual armor. It reinforces your identity, nurtures your confidence, and boosts your inner peace. It protects you from negative energy and harmful intentions. It strengthens your connection with God and your faith. It reminds you of your spiritual commitment and the importance of staying true to it. It helps you overcome doubts and stay focused on your goals.